Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I'd like to do something just a little bit different today. I managed to find this on eBay. It is a token slash medallion coin. On the back there seems to be a similar thing to the Pantheon learning centre type of thing. In the Pantheon above Athens, where they have holding meetings and what have you, there is some very faint writing on it. However, the other side is a side that is the important side for this token. There's a man on horseback on a plinth. Now this coin was made to celebrate a gentleman by the name of Arthur Wellesley, or the Duke of Wellington. This is the Duke himself on his horse Copenhagen, I believe was the name of his horse, and this was brought out to celebrate his victory at Waterloo. And I believe that people paid for these tokens, and that went to the celebration, the big celebratory buildings and the Victory Arch and things like that. So this token is from the middle of the 1800s. I believe it's around about, I think they originally came out in about 1815, 1820, something like that. Not long after the Battle of Waterloo. The Waterloo was 1815, wasn't it? So I think these came out probably within the 10 years of the victory. I understand that the money raised from these tokens and other ephemera that was bought out alongside these to make some of the celebratory buildings and arches and such like in London. The value as a token, there's no intrinsic monetary value in the sense that it was a 10p or a crown or anything like that. It was just a pure medallion that was bought out to celebrate the victory at Waterloo, and it was bought out, and these tokens were used to, as I say, build things like the triumphal arches that we have. They were also brought out to help the people who survived the battle with injuries, to help them and their families out, as there wasn't the modern welfare system that we have now. So, as I say, I don't think they were they weren't of an intrinsic value, but I don't think they were particularly expensive to buy when they first came out. I don't think they'd have been more than sort of maybe up to a crown at most. I couldn't find out any information to say exactly how much it cost to buy one of these when they first came out, but I thought it made an interesting token to celebrate what was a bloody battle over 2 or 3 days, one that eventually stopped Napoleon from basically dominating Europe. So that is the token that I got. Tell me what you think about it. I paid, I think it was £2.50 for this one, and I think I got it cheaply compared to the way that these sort of things, celebratory coins and medallions, can go for. It is over 100 years old. It's nearly 200 years old, in fact. So what do you think of this coin, this medallion? Would you have bought it? Tell me in the comments below. I don't have any more information to give you about this coin, so what I'm going to do is just put it back into its little plastic sleeve until I can get it flipped. And I'll end this and say to you all, please, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. On a personal level, if you've enjoyed this particular video, please give me the thumbs up. I want to grow my channel, and the way I can do that is to have people like the videos and to actually subscribe to the channel. So if you're a returner or even someone brand new and you would like to follow me on my journey through coins and banknotes, etc., please subscribe. Until we meet again, which will be hopefully in the near future, not too long away. Ta-ra for now. Bye bye. Ta-ra.